Today I'm going to be showing you guys something I've been trying to purchase for quite a while actually. I'm really excited to show it on YouTube as it's quite a coveted watch, I will say. The wait list was perpetually never ending and you know, I had to do what I had to do to get it, and you know, it's one of my favorite colors. It actually is my favorite color. Turquoise is one of my favorite colors, like the Turquoise Tiffany. So, you know, to have it and to have it right there to look at all the time is amazing for me. And I know it's a hyped up watch, but I honestly think it looks really classy. Yeah, I was a big fan of it, so I wanted to show you guys my first Rolex I ever purchased, and it's going to be this one. Well, I guess let's go a little more into detail. So I was looking for a Rolex in about May. I go to a gray market watch dealer that was not the most reputable. They had a bit of a reputation, but they're not the Bob watches of the world, you know? So yeah, I go in store, I buy a vintage Datejust before this actually, and it was a 16013, but then I take it to a watch dealer, have it looked at, and either the band was fake, we agreed on, or the entire watch was fake. They didn't even want to open it up. They're just like, get your money back, because at minimum the band was fake. So we noticed that, and I got a refund for that, and it was taken care of thanks to my credit card protection. I did send the watch back though. Yeah, I was still left looking, and the one I wanted all along was this one. It wasn't the vintage Datejust. That was just more of a budget-friendly option. That one was only about $6,000 after taxes. Long story short, I was looking for about a month, and I stumbled upon this one. And I ended up getting it on eBay for a few thousand under market. It was authenticated by eBay. After that, I did take it to watch dealers. I specifically wanted this one opened up. Everything looked good, and I can't believe that I have it. It looks great. Yeah, the only thing I have been considering, I'm gonna be honest, is like upgrading it to the 41. So basically selling it and going for the 41, which happens to be discontinued right now. I think if you know anything about watches, you know that. And it's definitely a little strange. It's a little strange. I don't know why they would discontinue the 41. I guess to keep it coveted or whatnot, but it is at least $5,000 to $6,000 more than this one for a bigger bezel. And yeah, this is how it looks on my wrist. So, you know, it looks all right. I definitely could pull off the 41 with my wrist. I have about a 7-inch wrist, and this is what it looks like. So I got it. I'm really happy with it. I'm definitely up on it in terms of market value, but I do want to wear it forever. I don't take it off. So let me show you guys this. I've been wearing it since I bought it. Look at that. You could kind of see a lot of the scratches I put on it. Yeah, I literally just do not take it off. It's kind of crazy. Like I work out in it. I wear it in the sauna. Like I don't care, I'm wearing it. That was my whole intention with buying a watch like this. I don't want to get a watch like this and, you know, let it collect dust. So long story short, I have this now, and I'm pretty happy with it. I'm still considering the 41 side of things. I tried one on in person and it did look really nice. It's definitely more wrist presence. Definitely, if you do have a smaller wrist, don't be scared of the 36mm. This is how it looks on me, and I have a 7-inch wrist. So you can kind of see what we're getting with this. But yeah, the market value on this currently is about $15,000. There's some used ones I've seen on eBay recently for about $14,000. Apparently this Tiffany one sells really quick anyways. So, you know, I guess that's just kind of how it goes with this one. But yeah, it's a beautiful watch. So it came with a box and everything. So here's the box, and the papers are inside. They're behind here, but yeah, I was really happy with it. You know, I've been wearing it ever since. It's been about a month and a half. I have not taken it off. I actually sleep in it. Most people don't sleep in their watches, but I guess I'm the odd one out. But yeah, definitely a big achievement for me. I do like watches because they don't depreciate like cars. Cars are a nuisance. My current Model 3 is like valued at half what I paid for it, and I didn't want to get another investment like that going before I had something steady that's likely gonna stay stable for quite a while. And you know, that happens to be this one, and I'm really happy with it. Yeah, so I guess the question maybe some of you are asking if you're watching this video is, should you get an Oyster Perpetual? It's very high quality. It doesn't break, like nothing happens. It just kind of operates as usual. If you don't take it off, you don't really have to wind it, because I guess it winds itself. I think it has like a 72-hour power reserve. One recommendation, if you are getting a Rolex, get a black light. Let me show you. So this, I've learned from some watch guys, it basically will supercharge the lume. See if you guys can see that. You can see it a little bit, and this is like really heavy daylight lighting. At night, like if the lume isn't charged enough, I'll just give it a few seconds, boom, and you know, it'll be loomed up for a while. So let me know, do you guys think I should get the 41 or do you think I should stick with the 36? Yeah, I'm not sure. Apparently people say the 36 is more classy. The 41 is definitely, it's a bigger watch. You know, my thing with it is like you can have both, but then if I was to get the 41, every other Rolex I get after that at minimum is going to be similar in size. So a GMT is 40 millimeters, Datejust 41 millimeters. You could go 36 in the Datejust, but you know, there is the 41 option with that one. And you know, there's so many Rolex watches, especially the GMTs, because that's gonna be my next one, where it's 40 millimeters, and there would be that, I guess, discrepancy in size in comparison of the two. Yeah, that's kind of how I look at it. I'm really happy with this watch. I just wanted to show it to you guys. If you're thinking about getting it and you have the money, I would say go ahead and gun it. Just try and get a deal. Definitely do not overpay buying a Rolex. I was positioning myself to all these eBay sellers with the watch. There was only a few of them, but I offered every single one of them. And you know, what I was saying is, hey, I'm offering this much and I'm paying this much top dollar on my end, but I'm ready to pay now. So it was lower than market, but I'm ready to pay now. And usually someone on eBay is going to bite. And yeah, that's what happened here, and I'm really happy with it. Oh, thank you guys for watching. That's pretty much all I really had for this one. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.